Hello dear parents, I hope you are doing well. I, Farheen Khan, along with Mr. Karthik, am here to give you an online tour. This tour will give you a sneak peek of our school and help you to get familiar with the spaces and systems before you step into our school.
Career Point Gurukul is a fully residential school which provides CBSE board preparation, and apart from it, we provide competition exam preparation like JEE, NEET, IPMAT, CLAT, CA Foundation, NDA, Olympiads, etc.
Our day at Career Point Gurukul starts with an early wake-up call, followed by yoga session. After yoga session, they have their breakfast. After breakfast, they come to school building for assembly. After assembly, they have their regular classes from 8:30 to 10:30 a.m. Just after these classes, they have their refreshment. Post-refreshment, the classes resume till 1:30. At 1:30, they have their lunch.
After lunch, the student come back to school for the doubt classes as well as for the competition classes of JEE, NEET, IPMAT, CLAT, NDA, etc.
Our school has a team of exceptional experienced faculty members who are available here in the campus only. So, the students can solve their doubts one-on-one also. Not only this, but they have great bond with the parents as well, so that you are very well aware of the child's progress. Not only this, but we, faculty members, share a great bond with the students as well. Dedicated counselors are also appointed, so your child is not only here for academics, but we will going to take care of them mentally, emotionally, psychologically and physically.
As we know about the importance of online education, we provide our students a facility of video lecture library after their school hours, in where the student can go and watch online videos of their subjects.
To help students to explore their interest areas and capabilities, we have designed certain clubs. The club activities under these clubs are already pre-planned, and these clubs are designed for grades 6th to 10th. But the participation for 6th to 9th is mandatory. This gives students new opportunity to discover their passion.
Career Point Gurukul is having a 20-acre lush green area where all the sport facilities are available like cricket, badminton, football, volleyball, basketball, table tennis, etc. where the coaches come and teach students about the basic of the sports.
We prioritize student health as well with dedicated medical team along with regular medical checkups.
Career Point Gurukul is also having a departmental store inside the campus where the student can go and purchase the item of their belonging. The best part of this departmental store that it is completely cashless.
We have tablet policy. So basically gadgets are not allowed. No laptop, no mobile phones and no tablets. But we at Career Point Gurukul, we provide students our own tablets with license. So 11th and 12th get the tablets for their digital learning.
We know the importance of communication. Keeping this in mind, we provide an app to the parents where we share information about the attendance, marks, communication and various circulars to the parents so they can be updated by the app. Apart from this, we also provide information on WhatsApp broadcast group so the parents can be updated simultaneously.
If the child wants to communicate with the parent, so there is a service of phone booth. It is installed in the hostel. A student is allowed to call for certain minutes from 2:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. But if there is any urgency, then you can contact warden.
We have season-wise different uniform for the student which are shown on your screen. Here is the list of important contact numbers which will help you throughout the year. We are also providing a list of items to you that will help you before joining the school. On your screen, you can see the list of holidays. This list of holidays will help you in the pre-booking of tickets.
Hope to see you soon, dear parents, with our own Gurukulites. For further information, click on the link.